We're going to draw Monkey Larry from Garten of Banban. We're going to start out with the eye. Draw a smaller circle inside for the pupil. We're going to come over a bit, about one eye width apart, and draw the other eye. Add in the pupil. And draw the top of the head. It's this shape. Then come over here and draw an ear. Come over to this side, draw an ear. Now we're gonna draw the cheeks coming out. It comes down and up. I'm going to draw a straight line across and then bring it down following the same shape of the bottom of the face. We're going to draw a line in the middle and then divide it like this with more lines of the same size. And just fill the mouth in with teeth. We're going to draw a circular shape for the body. And draw a little pouch for the belly. Draw a line that comes out like this for the arm. It goes down, out for the hand. Draw the thumb over the finger. A little bit of a forearm muscle. Connect the arm over here. Arm goes into the body. Now we got to draw a line coming out like this. Swoops in. Then it comes out. And the foot curves around. Then we draw a swooping single line that comes into the body. Draw a line that comes out. Swoops in. Foot comes in, then a line that swoops in for the body. And that's how you draw Monkey Larry from Garten of Banban. Thanks a lot for watching. Be sure to check out the other drawing tutorials on the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.